Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a new list in MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, log into your MailerLite account at MailerLite.com. From the dashboard, go to the Subscribers tab. Click on Groups in the menu. Next, click on the Create a New Group button. Enter a name for your new list, then click Save. Your new list is now created and ready to use. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. We appreciate your time and effort in watching our videos. Your support is truly valued and appreciated.